Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplify It. If you're new here, we're all about teaching creative minds how to use simple programs to bring their ideas to life. In today's episode, we'll dive into Adobe Lightroom and learn how to create a catalog, adjust basic colors, and use the color mixer to add a warm beach vibe to a photo. Let's get started. First things first, let's set up a new catalog. This is where all your photos and edits are stored. To do this, open Lightroom and go to the File menu. Select New Catalog, give it a name, like Beach Vibes, and choose a location on your computer. Easy, right? Now, let's import our photo. To import your image, click the Import button at the bottom left. Navigate to your folder, select the photo, and click Import. Now, we're ready to edit. Once your photo is imported, head over to the Develop module. Here's where the magic happens. Start with the Basic panel. For a warm beach vibe, we'll tweak the following settings. Exposure. Increase it slightly to brighten the image. Around plus 0.5 works well. Contrast. Add a bit of contrast, say plus 15, to give the image some depth. Highlights and shadows. Bring down the highlights slightly to recover details in the bright areas. Increase the shadows to bring out details in the darker areas. Whites and blacks. Adjust these sliders to balance the overall tone. See how the image is already looking brighter and more inviting? Now, let's move on to the fun part, the color mixer. In the color mixer, we can adjust individual color tones. Click on the HSL/color panel. Start with the Hue tab. For a warm beach vibe, adjust the oranges to make them slightly more golden. Shift the yellows towards orange for a sunny glow. Next, move to the Saturation tab. Boost the saturation of the oranges and yellows to enhance the warmth. Lower the saturation of greens slightly to keep the focus on the beach tones. Finally, go to the Luminance tab. Increase the luminance of the blues to brighten the sky. Adjust the luminance of the oranges to make the coconut tree pop. Doesn't that look amazing? You've transformed a simple photo into something straight out of a tropical paradise. And there you have it. With just a few adjustments, you can create stunning edits that evoke a warm beach vibe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Simplify It, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below with what you want to learn next. Until next time, keep creating and simplifying. Up next, we'll be focusing on how to use the masking tool and how will it up your editing skills.